Tired of getting random message requests on Instagram? Let me show you how to stop them step by step. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Now, find the section called Message Requests and tap on it. Under Who Can Send You Message Requests, tap on your followers on Instagram. Now select Don't Receive Requests. This will block message requests from people who follow you but you don't follow back. But we're not done yet. Go one step back and now tap on Others on Instagram. Here, you can also choose whether or not people outside your followers, like strangers, can send you messages. If you don't want any random DM at all, just select Don't Receive Requests here too. And that's it. Now your inbox will be clean and free from unwanted messages. Feel free to adjust these settings anytime if you change your mind. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Instagram tips.